So for people who like to hike, this is the hike down to the Hoyo Azul. And look at this trail. Crazy cool, right? If you like to hike. Up, down, up, down. I think we're gonna go down to the cave, to the springs. Watch out for the big rat that lives in the cave. The rat. Uh-oh. Adventure trail. Oh God. Oh God. Regular trail, adventure trail. Well, I hate to disappoint you, but I'm too tired to walk down the adventure trail. It goes down into the cave. Oh, I see the water. I see the water. Wow. Kind of cool. That adventure trail just goes right there to the rock. All right. Look at this. Look at what we got here. See, it comes out the bottom over there. I see it already. Wow, right? Look at that. Life jackets. That was a long walk to get to these springs. Okay. Hola. I am great. I made it. Oh, look at these rocks right here. Wow.
Look at the guy right here.
Lifeguard. Oh, I don't need no lifeguard. I got my snorkel and mask. The only person to bring a snorkel and mask because the hole isn't that deep. But I still can swim around. But this is way cool. Look at this. Look at the scenery. Look. How great is that, right? All right. See you on the next adventure. I go out.